Suck it, Tiny Tim. Hi, I'm Lady Hart, and a Merry Christmas to you all. This year I made a film named The Death of Miss Diva. The cast and I had an absolute blast filming our ridiculous movie over the majority of 2022, and even had a premiere on Halloween weekend. If you'd like to see it, it's on Vimeo. Most of the cast and I decided to throw our own staff Christmas party, complete with pancakes and awards. Before we get to that, some appropriate traveling conversation.
Yeah. I was actually surprised at the lack of drag queens at the funeral. Oh. Yeah.
That's sad.
Yeah, he had a coffin and I had a bunch of texts and I was like, yeah, come up and colour in the coffin.
Oh,
that's what I want.
I like the art instead of like writing something.
Yeah.
Like just come and draw, doodle on me.
Yeah, the idea
that
was like
sound right. Come and doodle on me. Come on, let's go. Christmas.
Oh, hello. Hello, Christmas puppy. Oh.
Thank you so much everyone for joining us tonight here at the Staff Awards night for Lady Hart and Co. So we have some Staff Awards for the team. So we'll start off with the big one, Employee of the Year. Look, it was a tough decision. You've all been so great this year.
Have we though?
Of course we had to give it to Lady Hart.
Yeah!
Congratulations, Lady Hart.
Thank you. I deserve this meat tray.
Winning this meat tray has been one of the greatest moments of my entire life.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Lady Hart. Our next award, most convincing body double and stuntman. Of course, had to be Lord Hart. Congratulations, young man. Congratulations. Would you like to say a few words? No. That's good. We're running out of time.
That's good because neither will I.
The next award, of course, goes to the most doomed. Our next award of the night goes to the most glamorous death, to one Mya Mercury. Congratulations, Mya. Would you like to say a few words? No. Okay, probably best. This one is a joint award to the most surprise cameos. It goes to the De La Rue. Hi. Congratulations. Thank you. Would you like to say a few words? Thank you. Oh, yeah. There were so many of them. Our next award is for the best borrowed baby. It's Billy LaRue. Congratulations. Brilliant. This one was a very impressive award. Most things stuffed in one bra. Emmeline Spankhurts.
And then she just gets through it.
Congratulations.
She's like, you mean?
There's nothing.
No, not even a lighter.
This one, dear to my heart, the most ridiculous monologue delivered to Miss Sealegs Esmeralda. Congratulations. Oh, speech. Now, this one, what can we say? Most underprepared and overachieved. It goes to Gemma/Ophelia Sass.
Yay!
Thank you. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm fine. Oh, don't be spoken to like this. Good day.
after this point I felt a little bit sick from having too many pancakes. But hey, it's not a Christmas party until someone throws up, right?
Holy shit, look at this. We look like really fucked up Powerpuff Girls. I don't know how I'd feel if a guy approached me and was like, "You want to deck my balls?" I decked my balls to you. Get out of here with your Christmas balls in my face. You decked your balls while we decked your balls. Yeah. With bowels of holly. With bowels.
Thank you all so much for all your support and joining me over the past year. I can't wait to see what fun adventures will be going on in 2023. Until then, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a Good Friday.
Ain't no funny bones about that.